This is the 2014 F150 with the misfire, with the bad PCM. I got it. New one from Ford. So I'll be installing it. Let's do that. Okay, so let's get started with IDS and trying to do a PMI, replace the computer. Let's go to powertrain. No, I don't think it's there. Is that a mosquito? Yes, that is a mosquito. Programmable module programming. Programmable module installation. PCM or ECM. PCM is right there. Switch ignition on. Ignition is on. Do we have the AC on? No. Ignition on. During module programming, this module goes through a VIN verification. This process compares the VIN. So I still have the old computer in there. I'm just gonna see if I can is this the correct VIN? Yes. I'm just gonna see if it's easier like this. Oh, it's asking me to do it from the network. Diagnostic tester is attempting to copy data from the network. I think we're doing it wrong. By we, I mean me. Okay, so we got to this screen. Programmable module installation. It copied it, I guess, from the network, and it's asking me to install a new module. Why does it do that with the cameras? It's funny or annoying, not funny. Okay, so let's swap the PCM. Swap that PCM and this PCM. Let me do that right quick. New PCM installed. Old one is out. Let's continue with the programming. Install a new PCM. Turn the ignition switch on. I do have a battery maintainer. Ignition switch is on. Ensure the battery is in good condition and all accessories are turned off. Yes. It is a 4x4. Oh, I gotta get this phone call. Okay. Each parameter for that module must have a value selected to continue. Electronic shift, drive line is 4x4 electronic shift. Engine cooler, engine oil cooler equipped. Select shift transmission. Select shift transmission. It does have it. It is equipped. Oh, this thing is over. Should we? Disable speed limiter. Yeah, because we can't do 75 mph. disable speed limiter. You about to program has multiple internal memory locations. During programming, you will see multiple bar graphs. This is normal and expected. Please do not disconnect any cables or turn key off during this process unless instructed to do so by the service tool. Confirm. Switch ignition on. It is on. Downloading data. This turned off. It's erasing procedure in progress. Why would it erase it if it's a new PCM? Okay, I'll be back when it's done doing that. It's done doing that. Now it's doing the module reprogramming. I'll be back when it's close. It is almost done. Now this came back on. Turn the ignition switch on. I never turned it off. So let's continue. Configuring, please wait. Switch ignition off. Ignition switch is off. Loaded and checked. Okay, so let's see. If required, obtain a reprogramming label. Okay. Now I think I have to do a parameter reset because I don't think it's gonna start. Let's see. Let's see if it starts, but no, because we got to do a parameter reset. Where is a parameter reset? Powertrain, service function. Body maybe? Security. Remote start, link, constraints. Service. No. Video. Okay, I'm gonna look for it, and then if not, then I'll get the IM608 and do it that way. So yeah, this is why we need to reset the parameter reset, because it's giving that code. So let me do that. Okay, let's try to do a parameter reset with this one, the IM608. .10.02. Where is the? Yep. 10.02. That's the right VIN. I don't remember if I have to get two keys to do a parameter reset, or if I can just do it like that. I'm about to find out. Is it hot functions? I think it's under emo. Yeah, it wasn't there. So let's try. Oh, you know what? That one is programming or updating. Let's see if this one can do it. Autopropad. Buy vehicle. Immobilizer. It is an F150. F150. It is a 2011-14. Ignition is on. Function introduction. Module resync. I think that's the one. Function introduction. Oh, this one's done. Okay. Number of keys. Let's see. It's got 4 keys. Module resync. Please wait about 10 minutes. Okay, so we gotta wait about 10 minutes for the access. And let's see if this one is able to do it. Successfully synchronize. Let's see. Module resync. Was that it though? I've never used the autopropad. And that was it. Module resync. It did it all by itself. That's amazing. Let's check and see if the misfire is gone. I don't feel it. Cool. I'm liking this thing. This is reading power balance with launch propad 5. And it's got multiple misfires of what feels like misfires, but it's pretty even. Pretty even. So number 4, was the one that had the misfire. And after replacing the PCM, misfire is gone. This one was misfiring. No more misfire. God fixed it. New PCM. Cool. So I'll just put it back in its case and give it back to the customer. Thanks for watching.